Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some cinnamon or pumpkin squares. Either way you can, it just depends on the protein powder you use. I'm going to be using a pumpkin spice protein powder. You can use a cinnamon protein powder and it'll make them cinnamon, but it's a very quick and easy way to make. It's only a few ingredients. First thing that you'll need is 100% pure pumpkin, and you use 244 grams of it. I already have some left over here in a container, but it's the 100% pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. And you want to use 244 grams. And it usually runs about 40 or 45 calories depending on which one you get per serving, and it's 2 servings. Next up, I'll be adding some pumpkin spice protein powder. Like I said, you can use cinnamon. It works well too with the pumpkin here. This one has 130 calories per serving. I'm going to be using 2.5 scoops. Next up, stevia or Splenda. And I put in about 15 grams to make it a lot sweeter. You can use 10, 15. You can add as much as you want, really. $15 makes it pretty sweet. Then I'll be adding some ground cinnamon, and I put in about 7 to 10 grams of this. It's not going to add too much calories at all. There we go, it's about 7. Then I add, if you can find these, they're Lily's pumpkin spice flavored baking chips. It really goes well with the pumpkin spice protein, but it'll go well with cinnamon too. Any kind of chocolate chips or something that you wanted to add, this is optional. You don't have to add them, but if you find something that goes well with cinnamon or pumpkin that you want to add in here, it's just a nice added flavor. And I'll be adding 2 servings of this, 14 grams, 55 calories. So I'll be putting in 28 grams of these chocolate or pumpkin spice chips. And then last thing up, what you'll want is about 3 to 4 grams of baking powder. There we go, it's 3 grams. Mix all this together. And you want to use, you can use an 8x7 or 13x9 baking dish. It's to your preference. Just keep mixing it. After you get all this mixed together, you're gonna add it into your pan. Have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. And it's gonna bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you get a toothpick. And if it comes out clean, then you know it's done. You're gonna wanna hit the pan with some nonstick. Again, all these cooking sprays, they say 0, but down here in the fine print, I'll tell you that actually 9 calories per second. So 10 seconds would be 90 calories. So this stuff really adds up if you're very heavy-handed on it, so don't go crazy with the cooking sprays. You just want to lightly mist your pan. Then you're not adding many calories at all. Depending on what size pan you use, if they go thinner, it's going to be less cooking time. So it might only take you 15 to 20 minutes. If you really spread them out thin, if they're thicker, it's going to be a lot longer. Add on an extra 5 minutes or so. Really just depends on your pan and your oven. I definitely would start checking them at 15 minutes, see how they're looking. But 20 minutes usually does well for me. This is like a 13 by 9 inch pan. And it will expand when you bake them. Try to get it as even as you can. And go ahead and put this in the oven. It's on 350. I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes, come back, break down the macros for you. There you go. I ended up making another one in a smaller dish. This one makes is 20 minutes. And this one took about 28 minutes. But as you can see, it'll be a little bit thicker if you want to go like that. You can do it in the smaller dish. It'll come out thinner. And you're still get about 16 squares. You do 16 in there, it'll just be a little bit thicker. So not too bad at all. Especially when you see the calories for this whole thing is only 541 calories, 56.2 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat, and 64.5 grams of protein. So quite a bit of protein for only 541 calories, plus 16.5 grams of fiber in this. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit the bell button to be notified of any videos that come out. And you see how easy this was. It was only like 3 ingredients. Very quick, very easy to make. Not bad at all. Very delicious. So thank you guys again for watching my videos. You guys have a great day.